back to my channel, and today I'm so excited to film this video. I just now, like about 30 minutes ago, I received this packet from Nykaa as the sale is going on from April 12th to 21st April, I guess, on Nykaa. So I ordered few products, and this is what I ordered it yesterday only, and today I received this product. So this is the first time I have ever received it in this black kind of packing, and within a day. So I was like, why don't we just do it together? Why don't we just unbox it together to see what am I expecting and what you should expect if you're ordering from a luxury store from Nykaa. Okay. So without any further ado, let's begin. Less than 24 hours I received this product. So this come in this black plastic, unusual like normal Nykaa packing, and this in black box, which is oopsie, which is yet sealed. So I'm gonna open the seal and we will see how they have packed this luxury store kind of packing, because generally my all packets are in brown cardboard, normal cardboard color or normal cardboard box, but this is the first time I've ever received this black kind of packing. So let's begin. And so excited. Oh wow, they have given me this thank you. Yes, here what they have sent me with this, and then again another pack for the goodie, what I ordered, my bill, and as usual bubble wrap. So what I ordered is actually I was expecting this is gonna be in this pack because I know what shipment is coming when. So I don't want to disclose it what I ordered because I want to open it with you and see how it goes. Okay, this was already open. This was like the seal pack. So this was, yes, and yay! So here is the shape. So this come in this kind of box. Oh, my first Mac ever. It's wow, I'm so much in love with this. Anyways, stay tuned for the review and the swatches of this product. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and until next time, stay blessed, stay happy.